Look at that old house. Very cool. You don't see these much in Tokyo anymore. They're all being taken down, slowly but surely. They will all disappear. But man, that is beautiful. There's another old one. My favorite, blue tile roof. These are really common in rural Japan, not too common in the cities. Gorgeous. And there is the front of the other house we just saw. The other old house. Difficult to see. Lots of nice trees and foliage here. There's the front. Very cool. Looks like someone still lives there too. Found another. Japan's edition of this old house. Check out the wooden siding on that. Amazing. And the satellite dish. A throwback to the Edo period. Or was it the Meiji era? Nice. And there's the front. Ain't she a beaut? Gate's open. I wonder if anyone lives here. Very cool. Another one. Not sure how old this house is. Might be a newer house, but with an old style. But the really old ones were destroyed by my country. They were all firebombed. Basically, like 90% of Tokyo was burned down. But the ones remaining, wow, so much character. Very cool.